Imagine choosing all of boating's smartest ideas in one ultimate platform. It's now available in the popular Formula 350 crossover Bowrider. This smartly balanced combination of expanded bow and cabin space is the perfect crossover for all your boating ventures, taking you farther than ever before. The 350 CBR is available with twin stern drive or triple outboard power for expanded possibilities and preferences. The unique Formula CBR design extends the fun into the bow entertainment area without giving up the ever-important flush cockpit. The Formula Crossover Smart Zone concept creates separate areas for a variety of activities while encouraging connections among guests. The dash is a handsome blend of liquid black panels, sturdy composite molded construction, and precision stitched upholstery. Digital instrumentation and the Raymarine Axiom 9S GPS put you in control at the impressive leather-wrapped stainless wheel. The versatile 350 cockpit design encourages easy interaction, whether you're at anchor or underway. Individually adjustable double helm seating is complemented by the portside lounge up front, and the U-shaped aft lounge with table converts to create 3 enjoyable arrangements. The molded wet bar with integrated sink, Corian countertop, pull-out stainless refrigerator, and trash container is a convenient center for outdoor entertaining. As usual, the highest number of polished drink holders and dual USB charging ports are within easy reach. Storage is abundant, with designated areas for tables, cushions, and fenders, plus plenty of room to stow all your gear. A beautifully sculpted hardtop option redefines welcome shelter and adds an impressive design statement. The 350 CBR boasts a rear-facing sun lounge with individual backrests that easily adjust fore and aft. Perfect to oversee on-water activities at anchor. Further aft, the 350's Smart Zone design means easy water access off the roomy swim platform, so swimmers can rinse off and transition effortlessly to the cockpit without inconvenience to anyone on board. The available stern drive extended water sport swim platform with 4 drink holders and undermount swim seat gives plenty of space to lounge, play, and interact. The cabin is perfect for overnight trips or taking a break from the sun with stand-up headroom, high-end private aircraft galley styling, enclosed head, double settee, and permanent full-size memory foam bed aft. Of course, you know a good thing when you see it, so don't overlook this smart sensation. Absolutely the best today in all-around boating for the fun of it. Imagine that. Choose the best, the Formula 350 CBR.